Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to review our 50-30-20 budget template with you that lives within our digital life planner. So there are step-by-step instructions on how to use this template. It is one of my favorite templates. If you do not know how to budget, don't have a budget, this is where I would start. You enter your monthly income, and we have formulas within Notion that will calculate your 50-30-20 budget split, which is 50% needs, like housing, transportation, bills, 30% wants, and 20% savings. So once you enter your monthly income, we have an automation that will basically tell you what your budget is. And then you scroll down to the category section, and that's where you list the different categories that you have, like your utilities, your rent, insurance, groceries, etc. So once you list all of that under your needs, you will go to the type column and you will add it under needs. And then once you do that, you will add the actual amount. And then everything is automated and everything will calculate so that you will know how much you have left in your budget for that particular category. So it's very nice. You're basically just adding your different expenses and naming them and assigning them to the correct category: needs, wants, or savings, and everything will be automated for you. What you actually have left to spend, if you're over budget, etc. This is such a great template to use to get your financial life together. I highly recommend it. And yeah, like I said, everything's automated. You just enter your monthly income and we do all the hard work for you.